Today we will be making grape juice. So the ingredients you need are magic bullets. If you don't have magic bullets, you can use any type. Jar, grapes, sugar and some ice cubes. So let's start. So take your grapes and put them in the jar. Okay. Now you have to take 5 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take your ice cubes and put them in. Take the lid and put it on. When the lid is on, you can put it on the blender. Stop. No, it's coming out. Whoa, it's so purple. Now take a glass and pour your juice in. Now you see, your juice is ready. Time to drink. Wow, it's so good. These drinks are very good in the summer. Thank you. Goodbye. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.